Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular kitchen over here. So let's create it further over here. So I'll just select this, I'll slightly just push this down, I'll select it. Let's convert to poly. Let's select the edges and let's put two connects over here. So I'll add one connect. I'll slightly just push this down. Again, I'll select the polygons. I'll slightly just shuffle this up, select the polygons, and again extrude it up, drag this up a bit in this way, and I'll go into this. Again, select this edges. Let's give two connects. Select the polygons. Slightly, I'll extrude a bit. Let's click OK. Now again, take a box over here. I'll activate it. I'll slightly drag this out. Select this. So before, I'll just convert to poly. Select the polygons, slightly push this out, and let's select this. Again, I'll give one connect over here slightly. Now I can drag this and make a copy of it. I'll attach it with this. Select the polygons. I'll bridge this in this way. Now again, I'll go over here. Let's select the edges. I'll give one connect over here. I'll drag this down. I'll ring it. Let's control and click on the polygons, and we can slightly bevel it if required. Over here we can slightly bevel it, and let's click OK. So I'll just save the file once. Let's again go over here. Let's take a cylinder. I'll take a cylinder over here. I'll convert to editable poly. Let's give a cut over here. Let's add one more cut over here. So select the polygons and let's give bevel over here. So slightly I'll push it a bit down and I'll click OK, and I'll just make a copy of it. So once it is done, now let's go over here. We have a wooden board over here. So again, I'll take a box over here. I'll slightly drag this, convert to poly over here. To select the polygons, select this, and let's give a bit of inset to it and isolate, and drag it in this way slightly. So we do have some bowls as well. So for that, again, I'll go into this. Let's take a sphere over here. I'll take a sphere, convert to editable poly, and I'll go into this. Select the polygons. I'll select this. I'll delete it. Select the top and delete it. Let's select the border, gap it, select the polygons, extrude a bit, drag it a bit down over here, and we'll give one modifier. So I'll add one modifier over here called a shell modifier. So let's add a shell modifier. So I'll slightly add a shell modifier, and I can just place on top of this over here. So there are multiple elements which will be creating over here. So again, I'll go over here, I'll take a line tool, and will create a kind of a hook over here in this way. So select this, slightly push it in this way, shuffle it in this way, so just drag it over here. So if you want, we can slightly scale it. I'll go into rendering, enable in viewport, I can resize it over here, and I can just place it over here. So let's take a box over here. Let's take a box, convert to poly. Let's select the edges. Let's give two connects. Slightly just drag it. Select this. Select the edges over here. And let's give chamfer. Slightly, I can just add a chamfer over here. Select the edges. Let's give one connect. Select the polygons, insert it, slightly, extrude it a bit inside, and select the vertices. So let's select this. We can just resize it and isolate it. So again, I'll select the polygons. And isolate it. And again, I'll drag this up. I'll go into this. Let's rotate it in this way. And I'll push it over here. So I can just go over here. So I can just shuffle this a bit down. So you can just push it in this way. Again, I'll go over here. Now again I'll take a box. So for this, near the window side, we can again go into this view. Let's take a line over here. Okay, so once it is done, I'll just off this and let's give a lathe modifier. So I can just assign a lathe modifier over here in this way. Just drag this up. So let's give fillet over here. So I'll just add a bit of fillet. Alright. I'll just put it over here. We can just resize it. Slightly scale this. Just save the file. Again I'll go into this. We can slightly make it a bit thicker. So as you can see, it is a bit thicker. So I can slightly make it a bit thick in this way. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.